Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie with paper. First, gather your essential crafting supplies like colorful paper, sharp scissors, and reliable glue. You'll also want a pencil and a ruler for precise measurements. Choosing various paper textures and shades will add depth to your finished pie. Make sure your workspace is clear and ready for some creative fun. Now, let's craft the perfect crust. Begin by cutting a large circle, perhaps 8 inches in diameter, for the base. Next, carefully trim the edges with a wavy pattern to mimic a real pie crust. Then, take a long strip of paper, about 1 inch wide, and fold it to create the raised rim. Secure these pieces with glue. With your crust ready, it's time for the delicious filling. Cut various small shapes from different colored papers to represent fruits or creams. Think about layering these pieces to create a rich, textured look. Carefully arrange and glue your chosen filling onto the base of your paper pie, ensuring it's well secured. To complete your paper pie, consider adding some delightful decorations. You could weave thin paper strips to create a classic lattice top, or cut out tiny circles to represent berries. Small, rolled paper pieces can also make charming dollops of cream. Once finished, your beautiful paper pie is ready to be displayed and admired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.